Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Kodiak Finance token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Kodiak is a vertically integrated decentralized liquidity platform powering token launches, trading and advanced liquidity management. Incubated by Chain, Bolt A Bera Accelerator and backed by over $5.3 million from lending investors, including Hack VC, Amber Group, Dow 5 and Citizen X. Kodak commands 90% plus spot and perpetual DEX market share on Bera Chain and stand as the network's high revenue generating protocol. Its full stack DeFi suite spans spot and perpetual trading, aggregation automated liquidity management, incentive layer, auto compounding vaults, validators, and no code token deployment. Kodiak is a top 2 liquidity manager in the industry, a top 16 DEX by TVL, 70 DEX by volume, top 160 protocol by fees according to website, and top 40 by DEX fees. Kodiak is rapidly expanding towards version of becoming single end-to-end platform for single user DeFi journey. Kodiak Finance project institution rating is 3.7. Kodiak Finance token total supply is 100 million and circulating supply is around 14.75 million KDK token. KDK token is listed on gate.io, x.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.